So today we welcomed to our Pembroke RO plant Minister Joe Mitzi and Parliamentary Secretary Aaron Farrugia together with the press, and we toured the progress that is being registered on our net zero impact utility project. First we visited our plant where we're fixing new energy recovery equipment that virtually doubles our efficiency. This allows us to produce more water with less energy, giving us the necessary strength to rely on reverse osmosis water, high quality water. Then we saw our workshops, our highly skilled labor force producing this equipment. So virtually we import raw materials, and then our workforce designs the plant, assembles it together, and then commissions it. After this we visited the works on the tunnel from Pembroke to Qali, works that are progressing according to schedule, and through these tunnels we'll be installing GRP pipe, the glass reinforced fiber pipe that will allow us to transfer water that is pure, and this will be blended then with groundwater in Qali and distributed across Malta, and this will result in improved water in terms of taste and in better efficiency.